Finally got these in from Advisory Board Crystals, so let's check it out. So for this one, you don't know what you're gonna get, so it's pretty much random. So this was the Puma Fantastic Four collab they did. In the plastic foil, silver foil bag. Just open. Oh. See blue. And there you go. I'm sure this is Mr. Fantastic, so no one knows what these shoes look like. This is the first time we're gonna see how it looks. I haven't seen anything online yet. It's a cool box. See all these characters. ABC, Marvel, Fantastic Four. So I don't know how rare each one is, but there you go. Graded with some signatures. Different view. So it's another box. Stretch. Some info. Looks like a comic book. It's pretty cool. Still don't know how the shoes look. Majesty times Fantastic Four. Clyde Royal Puma White. And there you go. This was months of waiting. Another one out. Alright, let's take a little closer look here. As you can see, you get a mostly blue upper with white Puma branding, or Puma logo here, and Puma on the sole. And it's mostly patent leather on the upper with holographic, I guess, tint. As you can see, that. Closer look, looks like in the blues, it's like a candy paint color. You can see like the sparkles and all that a little bit. You get 2 extra laces, blue and white. You get ABC tag here, and you get Marvel on the other shoe. The tongues are a little bit different. You get Reed Richards artwork there, and then ABC on the other. Then you get a corduroy lining on the inside. It's pretty cool. You get Reed Richards signature detail here. In the back you get chrome with a blue pearl detail there. Fantastic Four logo on the outsole. Same on each shoe. This Fantastic Four embroidered on the outside of the shoe. It's a cool model. I feel like it's wearable. A little bit loud, but the model is simple and clean. Let's put these like this. Then we also got the insoles. It's like a shiny holographic material as well. Don't know how it feels on feet, but yeah, it looks pretty slippery. And then you got Marvel and ABC embossed. So the details are pretty good on here. With the packaging and presentation. It's a pretty cool shoe. Now I'm just wondering how each one of these look like. I'm sure they'll start popping up now. Let me know what you guys think of these. And then yeah. See you on the next one.